2, 1, Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Look at it go! Oh my golly! It's flying south! It's coming around! It's a whirlwind of confetti! This is great! See, this is the wonders of confetti. You can see how it starts out and circles around. It's truly a tornado effect. Oh, look at this over time. This is what over 1 billion people will see to bring in 2021. It's this beautiful, colorful, joyful blizzard of confetti. Look at that. You think it's flying south and then it goes east and west and north. Happy New Year. Oh. Check out those colors. Check out that confetti effect. This is the best confetti test we've ever had. This is incredible. I gotta tell you, this is, you can just check out these whirlwind effects.
This is insane, you guys.
This is amazing. The rest of us, what do you think, guys? Woo! Still getting this effect. We're going to do it one more time.
It was amazing. It was so colorful. I just loved it.
I've been telling you about the wings. I encourage everyone to line up physically distance for Planet Fitness Football is over.
We're going to see it on TV. We're a little cold to be out here on New Year's Eve on midnight, but we're so happy we did the preview.
Yeah.
So now when we watch it on TV, we'll know where we were and what was happening, and we have confetti to take home.
Yeah, confetti. It's really. I thought it was cool. I just saw all this confetti just flashing up into the sky.
So this year, all we're gonna do is watch it on TV and just stay at home with the family. I guess it's different, but we're gotta get used to the new living now. So,
Today we tested the Times Square New Year's Eve confetti. I've been doing this for 26 years. This is the best test we ever had. The confetti is still flying here in Times Square. Literally, it's going to be up there for hours, and that's what we want to see. It's this joyful blizzard of confetti that everyone's going to be watching on New Year's Eve is ready to go. Happy New Year, everyone! There are milestones in our lives, whether it's birthdays, anniversaries, bar mitzvahs, the christenings. All of these events, New Year's Eve included, are moments in time that as human beings sort of bring us together. We celebrate together. New Year's Eve, more than ever, will bring us all together. And even though we'll be watching from home, we will be counting down together. And all those families, over 1 billion people around the world, will be counting down with us.